Welcome to Activity 60. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with double bonds for the holes of 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Each player will need a transparent counter. The reason they're transparent is that if one player lands on a space, the other player needs to be able to see what's underneath, because more than one player can land on the same space. Begin by placing your spinner on the board. The aim of the game is to be the first player to work your way around the track and end on the finish line. Let's begin. Player 1, the blue player can go first and they spin 6. The numbers on the spinner are the parts, so they're worth half of the holes on the board. We spin 6 and I need to move to the next space that is worth double 6. So double 6 is 12, so I need to move to this 12 here. All the green spaces mean that you move forward 3. All the red spaces mean that you move back 2. So I landed on a green space, so I get to go forward 3. It's player 2's turn. They also spin 6, so they double 6, which is 12, and then they also get to join me on this space. The blue player spins an 8, and double 8 is 16, so they need to move to the next 16, which is there. Let's fast forward and pretend that we are near the end here. If it was a blue player's turn, they spin 6, so they would move to the nearest 12. The green player also moves to the nearest 12. So the blue player will win because the next 14 is just here. Now it's your turn.